How to check phone storage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, go to iPhone storage as shown. This section displays how much storage is used and available, along with a list of apps and their storage usage. You can also find recommendations for freeing up space, such as offloading unused apps or managing photos and videos. Now, go to the Recommendations section and tap on Show All beside it to view all the recommendations for freeing up storage. Go to the Recently Deleted album and tap on Empty beside it. This will permanently delete all photos and videos kept in the recently deleted album. You can also tap on Enable beside Offline Unused Apps and iCloud Photos to save up more space. Following these steps, you can easily check phone storage on iPhone.